Welcome to Mind Your Spelling. I'm Praise Jacobson. Today we are starting a series on affixes. If you will spell many English words correctly, you must understand the relationship between affixes and root words. What is an affix? What is a root word? What are the types of affixes? How can we spell words with affixes correctly? We'll find answers to these questions in this series of videos. Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary defines an affix as a letter or group of letters added to the beginning or end of a word to change its meaning.
There are three types of affixes: prefix, infix, and suffix. When the affix is added to the beginning of the word, it is called a prefix. If it's added to the end of a word, it is called a suffix, and if it is added in the middle, it is called an infix.
The word that a prefix, infix, or suffix is added to is called a root word. The World Book Encyclopedia states that 3,000 root words will take care of 95% of the writing needs of the average adult. Why does adding affixes pose a challenge in spelling? Adding affixes to root words change the spelling of the new words that emerge, in most cases. If you'll spell correctly, you must be able to identify the root word and the affix. Let's briefly talk about root words.
Consider these words: unhappy, happily, happiness. Can you identify the root word in the above words? It's happy. The first word, unhappy, has the prefix un. The second word, happily, has the suffix ly. The third word, happiness, has the suffix ness. Did you notice that adding a suffix to the second and third examples alter the spelling of the root word happy? The letter Y turns to I. That is why spelling such words can be challenging. Don't worry, at the end of this series of videos, you'll learn how to spell words with affixes correctly. From these examples, I hope you can easily identify root words. Your ability to do so is the key to spelling such words correctly.
Let's take an exercise to test our ability to identify root words.
Identify the root words in the following words and write your answer down in your jotter. Note that a word may have both prefix and suffix. 1. Disable. 2. Disagger. 3. Disarm. 4. Disappear. 5. Television. 6. Fashionable. 7. Fearful. 8. Forearm. 9. Foreknowledge. 10. Glorious. 11. Helpless. 12. Heroism. 13. Immortal. 14. Illegal. 15. Illogical. 16. Indecent. 17. Insane. 18. Irrefutable. 19. Unfair. 20. Illiterate. 21. Unnatural. Here are the answers. 1. Disable. Able. 2. Disagree. Agree. 3. Disarm. Arm. 4. Disappear. Appear. 5. Television. Vision. 6. Fashionable. Fashion. 7. Fearful. Fear. 8. Forearm. Arm. 9. Foreknowledge. Knowledge. 10. Glorious. Glory. 11. Helpless. Help. 12. Heroism. Hero. 13. Immortal. Mortal. 14. Illegal. Legal. 15. Illogical. Logic. 16. Indecent. Decent. 17. Insane. Sane. 18. Irrefutable. Refute. 19. Unfair. Fair. 20. Illiterate. Literate. 21. Unnatural. Natural.
Did you get all? If not, don't be discouraged, just take note and correct your mistake. Now that we can easily identify root words, in our next video we'll learn how to spell words with prefixes.